Morning, Bernie.
What the heck is that?
Hello folks, I've just been up to National Trust in Swindon and I've picked up this. What is it? I hear you ask. What is it? I don't know what it is. Let's have a look. Gate, close, open, high, low, on, off. What is it? What is it? Ooh, what is it? Zoom into that later. What is it? It is a DUKANE. DUKANE. DUKANE what? It's a DUKANE MDP. It's a manual direct projection thingy. It's for looking at microfilm. Seriously old school. Gotta be what, 1960s? 1970s maybe. I don't know, it's got a handle on the side. Look, it's got a handle on the side. Oh, what does that do? Ooh. I know. Oh, there's a lens. Lens there, look. So it projects down onto this white thingy. It's got instructions for for loading microfilm. Place roll of microfilm on supply spindle, left side, so that film unwinds from bottom of reel. Now, the other question you're probably asking is, what am I going to do with it? I don't know. I was offered it, and I thought I'd grab it. I don't know. I didn't think it through. Truth is, I didn't really think it through. I've just propped it up on my new wheelie bench. That's how it normally stands, like that. It's desktop size. So, question is, what am I going to do with it? Why did I get it? So this is the lid. I've taken the lid off the top. And it's got sort of projector bulb on there that fires down through that mirror lens. I've got nothing to test it out with. I'm going to try and get a piece of microfilm, not microfiche, microfilm. It's for storing archive records on in very small, tiny images. This this moves around. I guess it moves around so you can put the film reels on. What's that do? Oh, a lot of ooze on this one. Now I've never seen one of these, and I'm not sure. I can't remember if I've used one up at a library, but that may have been microfilm or microfiche. I don't know, but that would have been back in the 70s. So take up reel. Why did I get this? I got it because I thought it might be a good video. Not one of my best ideas. I wonder if there's any for sale somewhere. I might be able to get a price on it. It's got to be rare, hasn't it? Flog it! I found a label on the back. Model, what is it? 2787, 27A, 87A? Is that? DUKANE Corporation, Illinois. What's this? October what does that say? 1990 something? 1998. Oh, how disappointing. Maybe that's, don't know what that is. Oh, disappointing if it's 1998. Far later than I thought. Serial number 1790448. Well, might be to do a bit more research on that model number now. I'm going to turn it on. Ready? Ready? Stand clear. Oh! And there's a light on. Yes. The light is working. It's working, projecting down there. Oh. I wonder what we can put in there to... What we need is a film slide. Just to give a bit of effect, isn't it? Okay. See what I can find out in Scrap Store. We've got no film slides here. Right, I've got a bit of clear cellophane, vinyl, whatever, and I've written Reboot on it, and I'm going to see if I can project that onto the bottom thing. Now, looking at where this goes in, it seems to want to go in there, in there between the thingies. See what we get. Ooh, Reboot upside down. Well, there it is. Reboot. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. What am I going to do with it? Bernie's not going to be very happy when he sees this in here. Got enough in the workshop as it is. Oh dear, oh dear. Morning, Bernie.
What the heck is that? Space Invaders Jurassic Park.
Well, that's it for another video. Quick tech donation. What am I going to do with it? Leave some comments in the section below for suggestions. Do you think it's of any value? If you've enjoyed this, subscribe, leave a like, check out our Facebook page. There it is right there, look. See you next time.
Jurassicom Productions.